planet Earth, a world teeming with life. From the smallest insects to the largest whales, every living thing plays a role in an intricate web of relationships. We call these relationships ecological interactions. These interactions are the foundation of ecosystems. They are the threads that hold the tapestry of life together. Imagine a vast rainforest, a city of green. Monkeys swing through the canopy. Insects pollinate vibrant flowers. A jaguar stalks its prey. These are all examples of ecological interactions. These interactions can be beneficial, harmful, or neutral for the organisms involved. Ecological interactions are essential for ecosystem stability. They regulate populations. They ensure the flow of energy and nutrients. They drive the processes that sustain life as we know it. In the following sections, we will delve into the fascinating world of ecological interactions. We will explore the different types of relationships that exist between species. We will uncover the delicate balance that maintains the harmony of nature. Commensalism is a type of interaction where one organism benefits and the other is neither harmed nor helped. Imagine a remora fish hitching a ride on a shark. The remora gets free transportation and leftover scraps of food. The shark, however, is largely unaffected. Another example is the cattle egret. Cattle egrets often follow grazing animals. They snatch up insects that are disturbed by the grazers. The egrets benefit from a readily available food source. The grazing animals are not significantly impacted. Commensalism highlights the resourcefulness of nature. It shows how organisms can exploit opportunities in their environment without causing harm. It is a reminder that not all relationships in nature are a matter of life or death. Mutualism is a win-win situation. Both organisms involved in the interaction benefit. One of the most iconic examples is the relationship between bees and flowers. Bees collect nectar from flowers, which they use to make honey. In the process, they transfer pollen from one flower to another, facilitating pollination. Another fascinating example is the relationship between oxpeckers and zebras. Oxpeckers are birds that feed on ticks and parasites found on the skin of zebras. The zebras get rid of harmful pests. The oxpeckers get a meal and protection from predators. Mutualistic relationships demonstrate the power of cooperation in nature. They show how different species can work together for their mutual benefit. They highlight the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Section 4. The thrill of the hunt. Predation. Predation is a powerful ecological interaction. It is the driving force behind many adaptations in the animal kingdom. Predators have evolved to become efficient hunters. Prey animals have developed remarkable defenses to avoid becoming a meal. Lions hunting zebras on the African savanna. Wolves pursuing elk through a snowy forest. These are classic examples of predation. Predators play a crucial role in regulating prey populations. They prevent overgrazing. They maintain the health and diversity of ecosystems. Section 5. Uninvited guests. Parasitism. Parasitism is a relationship where one organism, the parasite, benefits at the expense of another organism, the host. Parasites can be internal, like tapeworms that live in the intestines of animals. They can also be external, like ticks that attach themselves to the skin of their hosts. One example of parasitism is the relationship between mistletoe and trees. Mistletoe is a parasitic plant that grows on the branches of trees. It taps into the host tree's vascular system. It steals water and nutrients, weakening the tree. Parasitism, while seemingly negative, plays a role in ecosystem dynamics. It can influence host behavior. It can affect species distribution. It can even drive the evolution of new adaptations. Section 6. The race for resources. Competition. Competition is a ubiquitous force in nature. It occurs when organisms need the same limited resources, such as food, water, or shelter. Competition can be interspecific, between different species, or intraspecific, between members of the same species. Imagine a watering hole in the African savanna during a drought. Lions, zebras, elephants, and countless other animals congregate in this limited space, all vying for the same precious resource, water. This is a stark example of competition for a vital resource. Competition shapes the distribution and abundance of species. It drives natural selection. It leads to the evolution of adaptations that allow organisms to outcompete their rivals. Section 7. Maintaining nature's harmony. Ecological interactions are the threads that weave together the intricate tapestry of life on Earth. They are the foundation of ecosystems. They regulate populations. They drive the flow of energy and nutrients. They maintain the delicate balance of nature. Commensalism, mutualism, predation, parasitism, and competition are not isolated events. They are interconnected processes that shape the natural world. Understanding these interactions is crucial for conserving biodiversity. It is essential for managing our planet's resources sustainably. As we continue to explore the wonders of the natural world, let us remember the importance of ecological interactions. Let us strive to protect the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth, for it is in the intricate web of life that the true beauty and complexity of our planet lie. If you don't like studying but still love nature, then this quiz is for you. First up, we have a bee on a flower. What type of interaction is shown in this image? 10 seconds. Time's up. It's called pollination. Next, look at this remora fish on a shark. What's the interaction here? 10 seconds. And it's commensalisms. Now check out these dense plants competing for sunlight. Any guesses? 10 seconds. That's right, competition. Here's a lion hunting a deer. What do you think? 10 seconds. Correct, it's predation. Finally, we have a tick on a dog. What's happening here? 10 seconds. And yep, it's parasitism. Great job, everyone. How many did you get right? Stay curious and keep exploring nature.